In this situation, there's a pipe submerged in water, and the top of the pipe is sealed off. The pipe is then lifted out of the water, and because the pipe is sealed off, the water moves upward with the pipe. To demonstrate that, here's the pipe moving upward, carrying the water with it because the top of the pipe is sealed off. And my question is, how does the pressure in the straw at the three red lines compare? And the three red lines are at the same elevation. Is the pressure in case 1 greater than the pressure in case 3? Is the pressure in case 1 less than the pressure in case 3? Or C, are the pressures in all three cases the same?